Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here my Android tablet and I'll be showing you how to clean up the storage on your Android tablet. Alright, so of course what you want to do is to follow along as I show you the entire process. So first of all, with your Android tablet, especially those generated Chinese ones, it doesn't really matter the type. You're going to go to your settings. Yours might be slightly different, but the principle is the same. Now once you're in the menu, you want to go to the area under your settings. Sorry about that. You're going to go to the area under your settings that indicates storage. So go ahead and go to storage. And of course, you should be in the area that's marked for storage. That's right here. All right, now if you observe right here, you'll see the total storage. For example, this is a 32 gigabyte total Android tablet. It shows that I have 16 gigabytes used, that's in red, and of course the free space over here, that's unused. So there's different color codes for the section here. So all of this here is used. This section down here is not used. So roughly half of the storage is already used, and you can see here that what's going on. Now a rule of thumb to always leave at least a few gigs free, because if you use all of the space, what's going to happen is that the device is going to become extremely slow. I'll say use up to the last quartile and leave at least quarter of the space. That will be roughly around 5-6 gigs. So make sure that you have at least 5-6 gigs remaining at any given time. And of course, you're going to look at the areas here. So for example, in some of these, you can tap to see the area. So I can see images is 4.6. That's not much. Games is taking up almost a gig. So what you want to do for each area, for example, trash, you can always go ahead and tap on the area and you'll be taken to the area. Notice trash is empty there. But the key one you want to go for, guys, so let me just simply go back from here. I'll go back to the main menu. So I'll hit back. You're going to go to free up space, which is all the way at the bottom. And of course, you're going to use the cleaner that's there. So as you can see here, this is the cleaner and it's going to show you clean. So you're going to tap on clean. So it says here, clear temporary files. Files by Google would like to clear some temporary files that may result in increased usage of the battery cellular data. I'm going to go ahead and clear. All right, so it goes ahead and does its thing and it has cleared up some space. So that's the general cleaning. All right, we can hit back down here. And what you want to do from here, guys, you can go through each area by tapping and free up some space. All right, so here are some cool other tips. You can do it from here. For example, you can go to games. Once you're in games, search for any game that's installed that's not being used, and then you want to uninstall it. So for example, review all of your games, look at the ones that you're still playing, ones that you're not playing, and delete any that you're not playing. You want to look as well, and you can see the larger files here. For example, the trash. If you tap here and you do not see the trash, you're gonna go again and you're gonna go to the main screen here, and you want to find the trash. And once you find the trash, you want to empty the trash of any files that are stored there. I'll show you to locate the trash. So one, you're gonna go here, notice the trash and the space. Go ahead and tap on trash. You're going to empty and delete all the files here by deleting them. So you can delete from here. You can always go back as well. If you're in the main Explorer scene here, you're going to tap right here. Sorry about that. Go back. You're going to tap here. For the context menu, you can go to trash. And you're basically in the same place. So that's multiple ways to go to trash. Next, you can go back. Temporary files, which means files that are temporary, such as cache. You can use the clean option here to clean those. And you basically want to go through. All right, once you've done that, guys, you're going to go next and you're going to manually go to your gallery and you're going to delete any duplicates. So for example, unnecessary files, unnecessary videos, you're going to delete those. And you can also manually go through your apps one by one and remove any apps that you definitely do not need. You can always re-download those if you actually need them. And once you do that, guys, it should significantly free up a lot of space on your tablet. Hope that was helpful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.